Do, does, did. You use do with I, you, we, they, and plural subjects. You use does with he, she, it, and singular subjects. We use did with all of the above in the past tense. Now, let's attempt these questions to test your knowledge. I blank my homework every evening. Do, does, did. I do my homework every evening. She blank her best in every task. Do, does, did. She does her best in every task. They blank the dishes after dinner. Do, does, did. They do the dishes after dinner. He blank his job well. Do, does, did. He does his job well. We blank our exercises in the morning. Do, does, did. We do our exercises in the morning. I blank my chores yesterday. Do, does, did. I did my chores yesterday. Yesterday shows that the action was done in the past. My brother blank his assignment on time. Do, does, did. My brother does his assignments on time. My brother is a singular subject. My colleagues blanked their project last week. Do, does, did. My colleagues did their project last week. Last week shows that the action was done in the past, so we use the verb did. He blanked a great job on the presentation. What do you think the answer is? Do, does, or did? Leave your answers in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next lesson.